Hey guys, today we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross, the compact SUV that blends practicality, style, and Toyota reliability. Let's dive in. The 2026 Corolla Cross is a 5-passenger, 4-door compact SUV wagon. Engine options: a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder gas engine producing 169 horsepower and 151 lb-ft of torque, paired with a continuously variable automatic transmission CVT. There's also a hybrid variant available combining a gas engine with electric motors, delivering a more fuel-efficient alternative. Drive layout: front-wheel drive standard, with AWD optional on some trims. The 2026 model carries a sleek and contemporary design. The refreshed front fascia brings a new grille, slimmer LED headlamps and updated fog lamps, giving the Corolla Cross a more assertive and modern look. Sculpted body lines, an aerodynamic roofline, and redesigned alloy wheels add to its dynamic silhouette. Overall, it's a compact SUV that still manages to look bold, ideal for city driving or family use. Inside, the cabin is designed with practicality and modern convenience in mind. Touchscreen infotainment, modern layout, good use of space. Features may include connectivity options, and depending on the trim, higher-end comfort touches. That said, some reviewers find materials are a bit on the basic side for a premium touch SUV, and rear seat space may feel a bit tight for larger passengers. For daily commuting or small family use, the Corolla Cross cabin is comfortable enough. Front occupants get decent space, decent ergonomics. The hybrid variant adds quietness and smooth ride quality, thanks to hybrid power delivery and likely improved insulation, good for city traffic or long drives. However, if you often carry tall rear seat passengers, rear legroom might feel a bit constrained, so best suited to couples, small families or shorter trips with full load. With the 2.0-liter gas engine, 169 HP and CVT make for decent, reliable everyday driving. Smooth, predictable, and practical for city or highway use. For those after better fuel economy and a smoother, more refined drive, the hybrid variant is worth considering. It delivers the fuel efficiency and lower emissions typically associated with hybrids. Handling: compact enough for tight city maneuvering, while suspension and chassis tuning are balanced for comfort. It won't be a sports car, but for its class, the ride is solid. So, should you consider the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross if you want a compact SUV that's practical, reliable, and easy to live with? The Corolla Cross ticks a lot of boxes. The exterior looks fresh and modern, the interior is functional and comfortable for daily use, and the hybrid option gives you real savings on fuel while adding smooth, quiet performance. If you're a small family, a daily commuter, or just want something versatile for city and highway, this car makes a lot of sense. It's not perfect. Space in the back might feel tight for tall passengers, but overall, the balance of value, efficiency, and Toyota dependability probably makes it one of the smarter choices in the compact SUV segment.